big, long ditch. Mary has been very busy this season. What you doing?
I'm digging in that COVID ditch.
You're almost getting there, aren't you?
Almost.
Would you say you're halfway done?
Halfway done for the dig. But then I still got a lot of other stuff for the creation.
Well, it's looking beautiful.
Thank you. It's turned out to be a project of love rather than frustration.
Well, I'm glad. Okay, love you.
Love you. So I believe working with nature is always better than trying to make it do something that it was not meant to do. So we have a natural runoff lane, and it's actually a little heavier than I originally thought it would be. I had made a little simple, easy French ditch going with the natural groove that was there, but the slopes need a deeper ravine. So I dug a hole. I put a box that I'm eventually going to use to connect some piping for runoff. But right now I want nature to do its own thing and go down through there and see how far it's going to go underneath and erode. And then what would be really cool if it makes a hole and I can stick my pipes in there, and then the top of this just sort of caves in. Anyway, it's fun to create with nature, so let's see what happens with this project. This has been a physically demanding job. Once I found the pipe, I had to cut it, and then I had to dig down enough for the connector box to fit. And so these are 4-inch pipes. They're just going to fit into the adapters here on this. I'm going to drop it down and put it in there. And today looks like we're going to have some thunderstorms in the next few days, so I was determined to get this part fixed. So I'm doing that right now. Okay, a little update on my COVID ditch. Check it out. It's looking pretty good. I made my drain box. Got it in there, connected it to the piping. Getting ready to put my landscaping paper back on there. And check this out. So this big old rock was over there, and today there were some men that were with Spectrum that had a machine, and I asked them if they could move the rock, and they did. Still working on my COVID ditch. Well, the COVID ditch is finally finished. What was started off as a 3-foot project ended up going almost all the way down the yard. I'm going to end up writing a blog about all the things I learned about the COVID ditch. But it ended up being really cool because we collected treasures from down at the river. And when I say we had our chosen families and our spirit tribe and the Ronstedts and Wells and Bear, Donnie and Aubrey and Taylor, and just so many different people would come and bring us rocks and river glass, and we've got different plants that's been given to us that's along the side. It's going to be beautiful this spring.